Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to start over here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Starting over on Squarespace involves a few key steps to ensure that you can effectively reset your website or maybe begin a new project. But before making any major changes, you might want to consider backing up your content. You can export certain data like blog posts, products, and images, but keep in mind that not everything is exportable. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner. Depending on how you set up your Squarespace account, click the dashboard. Now, I'm going to choose this specific website. I'm going to start over by not actually creating a new website or a new page, if that makes sense. I just wanted to start from fresh, but I don't want to delete this existing site. And for me to be able to do that, you just click on the edit button. All right. And from here, there's a lot that you can choose from to start over, but not directly deleting the entire information here. For example, this image, I'm going to click on edit and replace this instead. All right. By simply clicking on replace. You see that? So these are some of the things that you can do to start over. Once the image has been replaced, all right, I'm gonna drag it to the center here. And then from here, you can simply click on the site styles wherein you have more control over the themes. I'm going to choose this for now. Okay, I'm going to the fonts here. Maybe I'm gonna choose a customized font, a base size of like this. Headings are gonna be like, I don't know, maybe choose another one. This. And for the maybe switching back to the buttons, I'm gonna use something like this one right here. Outline. So these are gonna be your options to start over. In miscellaneous, you might want to put in the animations. For example, I'm going to put in scale. You see that? Or maybe slide or clip. So it's all up to you. Or how about flex? I'm going to use slow. You see that? How about scale? All right, perfect. Now, on the spacing, it's up to you. For example, this can put it something like here. Page width is gonna be that. So basically, these are gonna be your options without deleting the entire website, just simply starting over again. Or after doing so, click on close. There's gonna be that says edit site header. If you click on edit design, you have the control for the color. You can put in a solid color right here. All right. The background color, you can put in maybe white for now or black, depending on your preferences. Elements, you can put in drop shadow, like a strong color. Can put it back or save it for now. In this section, if you wanted to click on the navigation, you see, click on edit section. You have the background. Okay. If you don't want this background, you can simply click on replace. Let's try to browse stock images provided by Squarespace itself. You see, there's a lot of options here. Maybe I'm tired of using the alien image on the background. Why not choose something vibrant? Maybe how about this one? This mountain. Click on add image and wait for it to load. It'll take a little while, and then there's that, okay? Now, you might want to click on the text right here. For example, the site logo. Click the site logo. You can put in another logo here. I'm going to select from library because I have uploaded so many images on the past because I don't have right now. Instead, I'm going to upload one. Upload a file. Alright, so uploading my logo here. So you can put in the logo height if you wanted to. So that's that. And maybe you might want to put in some text here. How about we put in something like this. I'm going to change the font style to heading 4. It can't be seen right now, but we're going to change the color to white so it can be visible. So there you go. You want to make sure that it's compatible with the desktop view and it's optimized for the mobile view. You see, we have started over, but not entirely deleted. And of course, you can drag the information here. You can customize all of that. Want to make sure it's correct. You can also add a special edition template on one of the award-winning designs. If you click on the browse template, you would be forwarded here on this section. You see, you can edit and you can put in social media icons. I'm gonna save it for now. And then on the left side, I'm gonna click on exit and I'm going to put in the pages wherein I'm going to add more information for my blog. I'm gonna start over again by putting in a blog here. Just wait for it to load, and these are going to be my blog. You see, starting over in Squarespace can be a valuable opportunity to reassess and refine your online presence, ensuring it meets your current needs and goals. If you are considering this step, think about which aspects of your old site you want to retain, and of course, what new features or designs you want to implement. I'm happy with how it looks. I'm switching back again. Right, so I'm gonna switch on for the desktop view, and basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.